So, you want to get rid of the silences in your video. Here's what you need to do. You need to go to Google and type there Olive Video Editor. After this, you'll be on this page of Olive Video Editor and press Try Olive. There you go and download Olive 0.1 unsupported for whatever platform you're using between Windows, Mac, or Linux. Press on the icons that you want and choose the version 64-bit or 32-bit. You will start downloading Olive and you also can consider supporting them on Patreon. After, you will see this icon on your desktop if you follow the installation instructions properly. An Olive Video Editor will start and will be looking like this. Then put videos that you want to get rid of silences of. That's one of my What's New This Week videos before I get rid of silence. So after you add your video, you right click on your video and press After Cut Silence. Then it choose you attack threshold, attack time, release threshold, and release time. I don't know what the settings mean, so I just press OK. And here it is. It's after cutted all of your silence. And after this, you just choose the silence part of your videos. You click out of the timeline, and then back to the parts that you want to cut, and press Shift Delete. And all the parts with silent. Check how it looks like now. Welcome to What's New This Week. I will be serious when I speak about different releases that I found interesting, so I can keep up on you also. As the first thing we're going to talk about today is Long Gone Days. And after you finish trimming your video, you go to File, Export, leave for change settings to however you want and say something like compression type to 18. I prefer 18, so it would be like lossless. And say export. Choose whenever you need to export it to. Like I prefer it to be my specific file when I get all my videos. And I call it week 101.111. Only press save. Now you have to wait until it processes all its way to export the video. And you can put it in DaVinci Resolve or any other editing tool, and then add the background music, all the special effects, all the cutouts you need, and that's way you can improve your workflow when editing videos.